How do you insert a tick on Excel sheet? The simplest way is Shift P, then go to Insert Winding. If it's 2013, it will be Winding 2. Then you insert it, it will work. If you want to put an X, you do the same procedure. You go to Shift O, then you go to Insert Winding. If it's 2016 Excel, it will work automatically, but if it's 2013, you must go to Winding 2. And that's what I'm showing you here. Just as simple as that. But there's a complex way that you also go somewhere to insert, get into. That's a complex, but this one is the simplest way you can do it.